What's going on, guys? Hope y'all being safe, man, because out here in Long Island, we got hit bad. Fucking hammered with fucking snow. Almost 3 feet. I'm trying to dig my way out of the driveway with my car. Almost there, but not quite. This shit's up to my knees, man. Never in my 36 years living on this earth in Long Island, I seen this much snow. 96 was up there, but this gotta be the record, man. 27 fucking inches of snow. Look at this shit. That's my car. How the fuck am I gonna get that shit out? There's a will, there's a way, right? I had to take off, man, because even though my job is DK Essential, but how is that gonna get over there? Let me continue to shovel. And I'll figure my way out of there, out of here. Can't even talk, man. This wind is disrespectful and shit. Y'all be safe.